So this way?
You know what that means?
The flags?
Yeah.
No.
That means they write down the how to say it. The book you see when you in Buddha, they have the book about the Buddhas,
Yeah.
and you just write down. And some winter coming, they just the winter coming like that, and they have like rage this word,
The wind coming and what?
the wind coming,
Yeah.
and like some people the same like people rate this
Yeah.
and make people lucky like that.
Okay, it goes with the wind.
Yeah, it goes
Okay,
like wind. Yeah.
That's cool.
我上来的时候看这个东西。
I hope you don't mind I took that just on video what you said.